Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to change your Facebook profile picture temporarily for just 1 hour. This feature is perfect for special occasions, or if you simply want to test out a new look without committing to it long term. First, let's get started by opening the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now, click on your profile picture again. You'll see a menu pop up with several options, including Update Profile Picture. Select this option to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a new photo. You can either upload one from your camera roll or select a previously uploaded image. Take a moment to browse through your photos and pick the one that you want to use as your temporary profile picture. Before you finalize the change, there's an important step to ensure your new picture is only temporary. Look for the Make Temporary option and click on it. This feature allows you to set a specific duration for how long you want the new picture to be displayed. In this case, we're going to choose the 1 hour option. This means that after 1 hour, your profile picture will automatically revert back to your previous one. It's a great way to have some fun with your profile without making any permanent changes. Once you've selected the duration, click Save to confirm your changes. Your new temporary profile picture is now live, and you'll see a countdown timer under your picture, indicating how much time is left before it reverts back. That's it. You've successfully set a temporary Facebook profile picture for 1 hour. This feature is not only fun, but also convenient for those who like to mix things up on their social media profiles. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.